Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda has expressed deep concern over the unemployment which has taken a huge form in the state. He says that Haryana is consistently on top in terms of unemployment. The figures of CMIE, a survey organization, and employment show that every third person in that state is facing the brunt of unemployment. While the ongoing restrictions imposed by state governments, cinema owners have been worried about business prospects for over a year now. Twitter India on Wednesday told the center that it is making every effort to comply with the new digital rules which came into force last month. The city woke up on Wednesday to welcome the official onset of monsoons amidst extremely heavy downpour. With heavy rains causing waterlogging in many areas in Mumbai on Wednesday, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray directed the administration to ensure that the accumulated rainwater is drained out at the earliest and transport resume. Giving a boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, the government has approved allotment of 5 MHz spectrum in 700 MHz frequency band to Indian Railway for public safety and security services at stations and in trains. Soon after his Congress colleagues Jitin Prasad quit the party to join the BJP, Milind Deora on Wednesday said that Congress must reclaim its position as India's big tent party and asserted that it still has a strong bench which it empowered and optimally utilized can deliver. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on Wednesday said that government is ready to resume talks with protesting farmers but asked the unions to point out their objections to the provision of the 3 farm laws with sound logic. A prominent Pakistani journalist who was taken off air indefinitely for making hard-hitting remarks against the country's powerful military establishment in the wake of an attack on a fellow scribe has apologized and said he had no intention to defame the army. TMC MP Nusrat Jahan said on Wednesday that her marriage with Nikhil Jain was not legal and they have been separated for quite some time.